to see the bright light in the clouds. But afterward, I knew that all the heartache the Lord permitted to come into my life was for my own good. Now, because of my experience, I'm trying to help others see their rainbow.